Discover the power daily practice that brings peace, blessings, and prosperity into your life. A simple yet life-changing recitation after every salah. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. Today in this video, I am going to share another inspiring story that inshallah will motivate you and help us all to increase our remembrance of Allah. A person shared with me their experience not too long ago. They came across the advice of reciting Surah Al-Qadr and Surah Kauther 3 times, starting each with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. After every salah, they heard about the many blessings and benefits that come with this recitation. That if a person consistently recite these surahs 3 times, it will help heal disease, solve problems, and ease worries. Upon hearing this, they began reciting with full trust and belief in Allah's help. Alhamdulillah, they experienced great blessings and relief whenever they faced difficulties and challenges. They would start reciting these surahs, and by Allah's grace, their problems would be resolved. They mentioned that it's easy to recite these surahs whether in a state of wudu or without wudu, and at any time. Now it has become their routine to recite them after every salah, along with supplication for blessing in their life and livelihood. This person works as a laborer and used to work hard all day, yet still struggled financially despite and hard work. They could not provide enough for their family, and their parents and children sometimes went hungry. Their parents even upset with them at times because of the situation. However, after starting this practice of reciting Surah Al-Qadr and Surah Al-Kawthar 3 times after every prayer, they began to see the blessing flow into their life and granted them barakah in their provision, in their food, and in their money. Now, Alhamdulillah, they and their family live a happy and prosperous life. Their children, wife, and parents are all pleased and satisfied. The person shared that whenever they face difficulty at work, such as tasks that seems impossible to complete, they start reciting these surahs. By the grace of Allah, the difficulties ease and the work is completed smoothly. They said, I am happy with this practice. It has brought so many blessings into my life. It has increased my wealth, solved my problems, and brought happiness to my family. Whenever I face an issue that seems impossible, I recite these surahs, and by Allah's mercy, the problem gets resolved immediately. Now this has become their daily routine. They recite these surahs after every salah and during their work. Whatever they ask from Allah after this recitation, Allah gives them more than what they expected. Although they still work as a laborer, they are now earning more than enough to provide for their family. Their advice for anyone facing financial problem, work-related difficulties, or any challenges is to keep reciting Surah Al-Qadr and Surah Al-Kawthar 3 times and sincerely pray to Allah. Allah will ease your difficulties, bless your wealth, and grant you barakah in your life. May Allah bless us all and accept our prayers. Ameen.